The Nairobi High Court has sentenced Nicholas Macharia to death for killing minor. East Africa Social Television it is. The High Court in Nyeri has sentenced Nicholas Julius Macharia to death for the murder of a minor. In a ruling dated February 19th, Judge Zito Magare noted that Macharia showed no remorse and described his actions as displaying a profound disregard for human life and dignity. It read, "The convict, Nicholas Julius Macharia, was charged with the offense of murder contrary to Section 203 as read with Section 204 of the Penal Code. Particulars of the offense were that on 24th of May 2025 at Witemere area within Nyeri Township in Nyeri County with the Republic of Kenya, he murdered TBK, a minor. The minor's name has been anonymized to protect the minor's identity and dignity, now the deceased." That was part of the reading in there for you. The killing occurred on 24th of May 2025 in Witemere, Nyeri Township. The prime suspect, Macharia, who knew the deceased through her family, initially pleaded not guilty, but later changed his plea to guilty. During the trial, the court received multiple exhibits, including the victim's clothing, a spade and a fork, CCTV footage showing Macharia with the minor, a cybercrime report, analytical reports from the government chemist, the convict's confession statement, crime scene photographs, and a medical assessment report of the accused. The post-mortem report revealed extensive injuries, including trauma to the face, oral obstructions, and several genital injuries. The court also considered a victim impact statement from the child's mother and showed the emotional trauma suffered by her and the community. Further, the court rejected his claim that the devil influenced his actions, stating that the criminal responsibility lies solely with the offender. Judge Chizito noted that Macharia continued to live in the house where he had buried the minor, demonstrating a disturbing level of moral depravity. Macharia was then sentenced to death with the right to appeal within 14 days. Now, in January 2026, prime suspect shocked the court by pleading guilty for the murder of the minor. His plea came after he had undergone a mental assessment report from the Muranga level of the hospital, confirming that he was mentally fit to stand trial. At the time, Justice Magare ordered that Macharia be remanded in prison custody for 46 days, after which he will return to court to enter a plea. The judge said that period was necessary to ensure that Macharia fully understood the legal consequences of pleading guilty to the offense. After the court proceedings, the father of the deceased, Kelvin Matahi, exposed optimism that the case was approaching its conclusion. He described the process as long and painful, and said the family was hopeful that justice will be served, allowing them to begin the healing process of their late child. So that's what I had for you in here for you, and your reactions are welcome in the comment section below. We out.